This jump face is literally just a vert wall. So scary, man. I gotta get out of my head, dude. I know I can do this damn jump.
This video is the second in a series of my recent trip to Salty Acres Adventure Park, a 60-acre vacation rental located in Rocky Point, North Carolina. The facility has 3 motocross tracks, flowy trails, an FMX ramp, freshwater ponds, a barn to store all of your toys, and of course, a comfy house to get some rest in after a long day of outdoor fun. If you're looking for a relaxing vacation where you can ride your dirt bike right out your back door, Salty Acres is the place to be. For more information about Salty Acres Adventure Park, click the link in the description below or head over to their website at saltyacres.com.
What the heck? This jump face is literally just a vert wall. Oh my god. It's humongous. It's freshly groomed, and I'm sure because it's sand, it's not going to look good here soon. Whoa! That's freaking lofty, dude. This is a really steep double. You don't want to roll that. Woo! There we go. Oh my god. Yeah, these things have kickers in them, man, for sure. Oh, he's blasting the outside of that. It's probably smarter. So scary, man.
It's like 60% third, just yeah.
I gotta do the other ones first. Alright, a little bit more. Oh. Yes! Yes! Trying to figure out the speed to hit this jump, man. It's scary. God I gotta get out of my head, dude. I know I can do this damn jump.
Did it tell you off of it?
How much faster did I need to go when I was...
You had it.
You had it.
You have to continue.
Got it. I so got this. It's scary as shit, but I so got this. Man, my heart is racing. I'm not an idiot. I know how to ride. Got this. Come on, D-Rap. Got this. No question. Up a little bit. Woo! Let's go!
Let's go! There he is! He's back, baby!
Go, buddy! Oh my god, my heart is racing,
He's
bro.
back, baby! Good job!
Dude, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, buddy.
Check that one off.
Fuck it. Let's do it again!
Oh yeah! Now he feels spicy.
Let's go! No question! Piece of cake! Just gotta conquer your fears, people. That's all. It's all mental. It's all a mental battle. so freaking stoked that I hit that.
I'm so stoked that he hit it.
Yeah, he's stoked, dude.
His last one was giant panic red.
Hey!
Oh, he got a little sideways.
Yeah, money.
Woo! Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, thank you.
I think that's the biggest jump you've hit. Like, lengthwise, not really, but like
Height, air,
air-wise?
jump face.
Yeah, that's the biggest jump you've ever hit.
Dude, my heart was racing so fast the first one. Did you build that?
Yeah.
Kudos.
Right?
You the man.
Right?
You are the man. Salty Acres MX, boys. Come on down, hit this jump. You got it.
Are you hitting that?
You got that? Yeah.
Can I follow you off of it?
Yeah. Are you Levi?
Yes, sir.
What's up, man? I'm Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, dude. I've seen your GoPro videos. You rip.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Pretty sure he just sent this thing, no problem. What a beast, and absolutely ripped this corner. Sketchy as bro, no way! Oh my god. That'll get your heart rate up, holy shit! Yeah. A little sketch. You didn't need to follow me. I needed to follow you.
No, that was him.
Oh, it was you? Okay. If you hit it, I'll put you in the vlog. Let's go! Woo! Oh, he can go a little faster. Yeah, there is a flat there that you can land on. Woo! This jump is so sick, dude. Oh! Oh my god! Do that one more time. That was gnarly. Do that one more time. This is only a little double leading up to the big boy. But Benji is sending it so far to flat. It's so sick. So sick. Let's go, Levi. Oh, now he's saucing it. Oh! This section is so fun, but today I've just been getting so sketchy in this like dry powder on the top. Oh my god. Let's go! Oh! Let's go, Benji! Benji's sending everything out to flat. Levi's test riding a YZ250F. Keelan just did his roller lap. First time here. He's gonna send this big one. Woo! Let's go! What more can I say, guys? This is my first day here, and I really did not think I was gonna jump that the first time I saw it. I am so stoked to have accomplished it day one. It feels so damn good to face your fears, conquer that battle. I know it sounds kind of corny, but some people have done jumps way bigger. But yeah, everyone has to start somewhere, and dude, I'm just so stoked. I'm so proud of myself. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.